I am again back with my new topic. So today my topic is about plants. We are going to learn about different parts of a plant and how plants are helpful to us. So before this, let me ask you one question. Tell me, why plants are important for us? Can anyone tell me?
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, we need plants to live. Plants give us food, clothing, shelter, fuel, and many other necessities for our life.
Very good. So you all know that why plants are important and what they are giving us. Okay, do we get oxygen from plants?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you all live without oxygen?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so here we go. Now we can see here that a picture is given on the board. Here this picture is about a plant, and plant has different parts. A plant has different parts. You can see that roots, leaf, fruit, flower, branch and stem. These are the different parts of a plant. A plant is a living thing. It has different parts just like you and me. Some parts are above the ground and some are under the ground. So under the ground, what is there?
Roots.
And above the ground we have leaf, stem, fruit, branch. Okay, so these are the parts which are above the ground. A plant has two main systems. A plant has two main systems. The first one is root system and the second one is shoot system. So today we are going to learn about these two systems. So here we go. Now students, we are going to learn about the root system. As I told you that plants have different parts. In the same way like you and me have different body parts, plants also have different body parts. Now we are going to discuss about the root system. The roots grow deep into the soil and form the root system. The first is that root system grow deep into the soil, and what they are forming? They are forming root system. They hold the plants strongly to the ground and prevent it from falling. Roots provide water and minerals from soil to the plant. So what we are going to learn here today, we are going to learn here mainly about root. You all can see the picture here. Roots are always under the ground. The color of root can be light brown or it can be colorless. So the first important thing is that root grow deep into the soil, and what they are forming? They are forming root system. They hold the plant strongly, prevent from falling, and also provide water and mineral from soil to the plants. Now we are going to learn about different types of root. Root is divided, root system. Here we are going to see root system is divided into two parts, tap root and fibrous root. And you all can see that here is a picture. Roots are always under the ground. So here we are going to first understand about tap root. Tap roots have a main root with many thin branches at the sides. The thick main root is called the tap root. This thick main root, thick नहीं मोटी वाली जो देख रही है, this thick main root is called the tap root, and the thin branches are called lateral roots. These thin branches, these thin branches which are near the side of the root, these are called lateral roots. A plant having a tap root system is not easy to pull out. So tap roots are not easy to pull out. आप इसको easily नहीं निकाल सकते हैं. Not easy to pull out as the roots grow downward as well as sideways deep into the soil. So for example of tap root can be, examples of tap root is carrot, beetroot, turnip, etc. And some examples of trees also like mango tree, neem, examples of taproot. So what we understood from taproot is that taproot has a thick main root is known as taproot, and the roots which are sideways, thin roots which are on the side, they are known as lateral roots. Taproot is not easy to pull out from the ground, from the soil. And what are the different examples of taproot? Carrot, beetroot, turnip, mango, neem and people. These are the examples of taproot where we can find taproot. Now children, we will learn about fibrous root. Now fibrous root, plants that come under fibrous root system have a group of thin and small roots at the base. Like in this picture, you all can see that there is no main root. A group of small roots, okay, and they are very thin. Group of small roots and they are very thin, and at the base you can see that in this there is no main root. Fibrous roots, they do not go very deep. They do not go very deep into the soil. Do not go very deep into the soil, and they are easy to pull out. They are easy to pull out. For example, grass. अगर आप बाहर जाके grass को pull करोगे, then it is very easy for you to pull out that grass. So because why it is easy to pull out? Because these roots do not go very deep into the soil. There is a group of thin roots. This is a group of thin roots and very small roots. So easily we can pull out these roots and they do not go very deep. Another example is that wheat, maize, rice, wheat, maize, herbs. These all are the examples of fibrous roots. So they have many thin roots that spread out from the base of the stem. These are called fibrous roots. Fibrous roots do not go very deep into the soil but branch out sideways in all directions. Functions of roots. Now we will learn about functions of roots. Roots fix plants to the soil firmly. Firmly means strongly. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Roots bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. Roots transport water and minerals to the plants. So we all understood that roots are very important for the plants. They anchor the plants to the soil. They bind the soil, prevent soil erosion, absorb water and minerals from the soil, transport water and mineral to the plants. So these all are the most important functions of the root. You all have to learn these functions now.